These are the header files we'll be using in this project. Let's define a global array square of size 10. The number from 1 to 9 represent the position in the tic-tac board. The number 0 is here only to match the index so that we won't be having any confusion later. We are using the function checkWin to check whether we have winner or not. Another function will be drawBoard. It helps us to draw the board on our screen. In function is the main function. System variable provides color combination in the background. Let me define a variable player equals to 1, I and choice, so that the variable is used to keep track of the player. We have two players, either 1 or 2. Initially, their value is 1. The I variable keeps track of the player and check whether the game is in progress or not. Choice variable refers the position where player wants to place the mark. So we introduce character variable X and O to place the mark. Similarly, we introduce do while function which will run until I is equal to -1. Using drawBoard function, we are going to draw the board. Let us keep track of the player modulo 2. Here we check the value of the player divided by 2 is 0 or not. If the value is 0, it will return false. The player will be 2. If the value is 1, it will return true and the player will be 1. Let's take input from the user, either player 1 or 2, and scan the choice. Now, we are using if-else statement to check the choice entered by the player. If choice value entered by the player is 1, square 1 represents first position and we mark square 1. We are going to repeat it from 2 to 9. If user enters choice value other than 1 to 9, we are going to print invalid option. CheckWin function will return 1 if there is winner, -1 if the game is still in progress, and 0 if the game is draw. If I is equal to 1, we print player %1, else we print game draw. These are the combination for the player to win the game. If value in position 1 is equal to value in position 2, and value in position 2 is equal to value in position 3, it returns 1. Similarly, if value in position 4 is equal to value in position 5 and value in position 5 is equal to value in position 6, it returns 1, and so on for the following combinations. If these combinations are true, it will return 1. If there is a case like square 1 not equals to 1 or square 2 not equals to 2 and so on, it will return -1 and the game is still in progress. Void drawBoard helps us to draw the board. These are the formatted output code to draw the board. Finally, it's time to compile and execute the code. Player 1 enter the choice 1. Player 2 enter the choice 5. Player 1 enter the choice 9. Player 2 enter the choice 3. Player 1 enter the choice 7. Player 2 enter the choice 8. Player 1 enter the choice 4. Player 1 1.